Congratulations, Arihant. Speaking of juniors, what message would you want to give to your juniors who are now prepping up for the placement drive?
आपका एक तरीका होता है बात करने का और professionalism.
So can you share one thing that you have learned that you will take with you from here?
When I had my plans and I showed it to my peers, some people were older to me, even my parents. So there were always cross questions that I couldn't answer. There is a place for everybody in this world, so don't get demotivated. You got this. Hi, I'm Aryan Sharma. I'm from Asian Business School, PGDM batch 24-26, and I've been successfully placed in eShop Box. And here's my journey.
Congratulations, Arihant.
Thank you so much.
Today we have a backbencher with us, and we'd love to hear from him how his entire journey has been. So Arihant, congratulations on being placed with eShop Box. Can you share some insights around your PGDM journey?
Yeah, sure. So when I came here, I had just completed my supply chain management PGDM, a 1-year diploma from YMCA, and I had enrolled myself here for the PGDM MBA equivalent. And I was very against basically getting a job, but then when I came here and I actually developed as a personality, and then I realized that there's steps that you can't miss in life. So the first thing that I learned was the reality and how things are actually done on the ground. So that was the first realization that I had. It was big because I was always against working for someone, but it's basically something that I want to do for the future. That's a step that I want to take. So yeah.
All right. So you mentioned that you were not very keen on taking up a job or working under someone. So where was that shift? When did that shift happen for you?
So that shift happened when I actually had all my ideas set up, and then I realized that there is always a ground zero for where you actually get exposed to it, and then you learn a lot of missing stuff. And how I realized that was when I had my plans and I showed it to my peers. Some people were older to me, even my parents. So there were always cross questions that I couldn't answer. So I think that was the exposure I was missing. So that's why I was more inclined that let's not miss this step. Let's देखते हैं करके क्या हो गया.
So you said that you always learn by observing and analyzing people. So can you share one thing that you have learned that you will take with you from here? Maybe it could be in your classrooms or from your peers or from your faculty members.
Something that I learned actually very helpful to me is आपका एक तरीका होता है एक बात करने का और professionalism. That's what I think I would take away from here. Also, I was exposed to how corporate works because all the system here at our institute is identical to that, emails and everything. So you get into the habit of checking your emails, replying to them, be a professional. And I would definitely have a lot to talk about.
Sure. Speaking of juniors, what message would you want to give to your juniors who are now prepping up for the placement drive?
My advice to my juniors who are prepping up for the placement drive right now would be focus on yourself and what you want and cut out the distractions. And the third thing would be take everything with a pinch of salt. Don't get demotivated by anything. There is a place for everybody in this world, so don't get demotivated. You got this. So yeah, that's it.
All right. So who was the first person that you called when you got to know that you were selected?
My father.
And what was his reaction? Would you like to share with us?
So this is when I just got out of the gym. I got a call from my classmate, and he said, "Congratulations!" And I didn't know that I had gotten placed. So you got placed. And I was like, "Thank you so much." And then I called my father. I parked my car. I was on the way home. I parked my car. I got out and said, "Dad, placement in Gurgaon." I'm like, "Okay, that's good. Congratulations." And then he was like, "Ghar kab aa raha hai?" Aja. I was like, "Okay, aa raha hu." That was my dad's total father reaction, father and interaction. Normal.
So now, like I've already mentioned, that you've been a last bencher, and I have a certain kind of perception about you because I've taught you.
Yes, ma'am.
So you leave me with that perception now as you leave. So what kind of perception would you want to create in the professional world for you, if you could answer that in one word?
I want to be someone that is easygoing, chill, but also effective, efficient.
So, all right, Arihant, we wish you all the best.
Thank you so much, ma'am.